Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. It's already good morning because in our Philippine Standard Time, it's already June 24, 2024. By the way, my name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, a lot of you are asking me and suggesting that to majority of you chatting at me because I'm Filipino and at the same time foreign necrologist practitioner. The question is, I will answer that. What is necrology? In my own view and on my side, in my own words, yes, I will answer this. Okay, necrology is a notice of a person's death, usually includes with a short biographical account. Another definition is it's a list of a recently dead person. And that is my specialty because once a person died, you need to verify if when did that person died. So that's my checklist. And another definition is it's a listing of people who have died during a specific period of time. That's the one I'm talking about. If a person died already, when did it happen? What time did he or she died? So that's the one I'm talking about, a specific period of time. So not only the date, but what time? Because not all, they will not say that, oh, that person died on morning, afternoon, or evening, or dawn. So that's it. Because they do not specify the specific period of time. That's the most important. So that's it. That's my definition of necrology. I hope that this video will learn a lesson even to the other countries who understands English. That's the meaning of necrology. Necrology. Okay, thank you for listening in this video. By the way, before I say goodbye, you can click subscribe in my video and you can click this notification bell in my YouTube account. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning.